Hello everybody. Today I am going to teach you Vedic maths, and in Vedic maths I am going to teach you fast addition. Now you look here, how can you do this addition? I am going to tell you here. This is the Vedic maths addition, and here look at this screen. Now you have got these numbers in A question. This is 4 plus 7 plus 3 plus 6. So I'm first going to annotate it. How can you just let me annotate it. Now you see here, this is written here 4 plus 7 plus 3 plus 6. Now first, what will you do here is, the first step is, see, you have to find out the complements of the numbers. Like you see, look at this 4. What can you add from here in this 4 to make it 10? If you will add this 6 with this 4, so it will be 10. 4 plus 6 will be 10. Now you look at next numbers. This is 7 and this is 3. If you will add 7 plus 3, it will become 10. So now to do this addition, when we are doing addition in this method, what we will do is we will find out the numbers which we will add, and those numbers will make it 10. So here 4 plus 6 will be 10 and 7 plus 3 will be 10. So 6 plus 4, you will do the calculation now in your mind. How? Like 4 plus 6, 10 and 7 plus 3, 10. So 10 plus 10 is 20. This is the easiest question as you have seen here. But when you will do, right now you are feeling this is so easy, we can do it otherwise as well. But when you will do this in tens, when you will do this in hundreds and in thousands in your mind, so then you will be able to know how much useful this method is for you. Now look at B part. In this part again as well, you can see 2 plus 9 plus 3 plus 1. So what will you add with, you can look at this number 9. 9 plus 1 is 10. So 9 plus 1 is 10 and 2 plus 3 is 5. So in your mind, you can easily do that. Now, if you look here at D part, I'm taking, now skip C part, you can do. Now look at D part, 1 plus 5 plus 9 plus 7 plus 8 plus 3 plus 2 plus 6. Okay. Now you look here, what can you add? 1 plus 9 is 10. So 10. Now 5 plus 5 is 10. Then this is 10 plus 10 is 20. Now 7 plus 3 is 10. So 20 plus 10 is 30. Then 8 plus 2 is 10. 30 plus 10 is 40 and 6 is left. So you can just write down 46. Okay, 40 at 6 is 46. So like this, you can make your work very easy through Vedic maths calculations. Yes, now I'm going to take the another question worksheet here. Now you can see here, what can I do here is, just a minute, let me just take it out. Now you look at this question here, this is written here 43 plus 62, just a minute, 43 plus 62 plus 37 plus 18. You can make the calculations very easy through Vedic maths. Let's see how. Now you see here, this is 43 and this is ending with 3. And in 37, this is ending with 7. So you know at unit place, if you will add 3 plus 7, it will become 10. And you look at 62 and 18. Now at unit place, if you will add 2 plus 8, it will become 10. So how can you make your calculation easy? First, you write down the numbers together. Like with 43, you write down this 37. 43, add 37, add 62, add 18 to make the work easier. Right now, I'm just explaining you. So that is why only to make the work easier, I have done this rearrangement. Otherwise, you can do it in your mind also. Okay, no need to write down this step. You can skip this also. Now you have to expand the form. Okay, देखो, what is 43? 43 is nothing else but 40 plus 3 plus what is 37? 37 is nothing else but 30 plus 7. Now plus 62. What is 62? 62 is nothing else but 60 plus 2. What is 18? 18 is nothing else but 10 plus 8. So now you have expanded these terms. Now you can add it easily, like 40 plus 30, 70, 70, then 70 plus 60. So 70 plus 60, you know, that is 130. Then 130 plus 10, that you know, is 140. Okay, 140. Now you have 140 in your mind. Now 140, now 3 plus 7, 140 plus 10 is 150. Okay, then 150 is here, down, add 2 plus 8. So 150 plus 10, you will get here 160. So like this, you can make your work very easy. Now you look at the next question here also. Again, you, for your convenience, right now what I have done is, you look at this in the next question, 71. So at the unit place, this 1 is here, and in these numbers 29. So 9 is here, 1 plus 9. Okay, so I have rearranged these numbers only for the convenience. Next is 24, and you look at this 46. If you will add 4 plus 6, that will also become 10. And you look at 35 and 25. So I have rearranged. Now you have to expand this. Right now you are just learning, so only for that you have to expand this. What is 71? That is 70 plus 1. What is 29? That is 20 plus 9. 24 is 20 plus 4. 46 is 40 plus 6. 35 is 30 plus 5. 25 is 20 plus 5. So you just do the addition. 70 plus 20 is 90. 90 plus 20 is 110. 110 plus 40 is 150. 150 plus 30 is 180. 180 plus 20 is 200. Now you have 200. Now 1 plus 9. 2 plus 200 plus 10. 210. Then 4 plus 6. 210 plus this 10. 220. Now you have 220. Now plus this 5 and this 5. 10. So 220 plus 10, your answer is 230. So like this has made your calculation very easy. You can do this work in your mind itself. Okay. Now you look at this next question. Now this is 318 plus 246 plus 522 plus 434. Now again, I have, as in the previous questions, I have done the rearrangement. Here also you can see I have expanded all the forms. Now I am telling you the calculation here. See, 300 plus 500 is 800. 800 plus 200 is 1000. Okay, 1000 plus 400 is 1400. So I have written here 1400. Now you do the addition of tens. Now 10 plus 20 is 30. 30 plus 40 is 70. 70 plus 30 is 100. Okay, so I have written here plus 100. Now you have to add unit place. Now 8 plus 2 is 10, then 10, then plus 6 plus 4 is 10. So 10 plus 10 is 20. Now you can easily add this. Now 1400 plus 100 is 1500, and 1500 plus 20 is, like, this is 1520. So this is making your work so easy. You can do this work in your mind itself also. Look at the next question. In this next question also, in this line, I'm not going to explain you, as I have done the rearrangement here, as I have done in all earlier questions also. In the next question, you can see easily I have done the expansion here. Now this is the expansion. Now last, I'm going to add these. You see, 200 plus 600 is 800. 800 plus 500 is 1300. 1300 plus 700 is 2000. 2000 plus 300 is 2300. 2300 plus 500 is 2800. So you will write down here 2800 plus, then you will have to add the tens terms. Now see, 60 plus 90 is 150. 150 plus 40 is 190. 190 plus 30 is equals to 220. 220 plus 40 is equals to 260. 260 plus 40. 260 plus 40 is equals to 300. So here I have written here 300. Now addition. Now you have to add unit terms. Now 7 plus 3 is 10. To 10, 10 plus 1 plus 9 is 10. So 20, 20, and then 2 plus 8 is 30. So add 30. Now in your mind, you can do 2,800 plus 300. That is will equal to 3,100 and add 30. So in your mind, when you will do this 3,100 plus 30, that will equal to 3,130. This is making your work so easy through the Vedic maths tricks. Now let's see the other trick I'm going to tell you here. Now you look at this question. This is just the same. Okay. Now in 981, so in this line, you can see I have just done the same rearrangement. And in the next question, I have in this line, you can easily see yourself. I have done the expansion that you can do easily on your own. Now I'm going to add this. Now 900 plus 100 is equals to 1000, 1000 plus 600 is equals to 1600, 1600 plus 200 is equals to 1800, 1800 plus 700 is equals to 2500, 2500 plus 300 is equals to 2800. So here I have written here 2800. Now add, now you have to add 10 terms. Now 80 plus 20 is equals to 100. 100 plus 40 is equals to 140. 140 plus 20 is equals to 160. 160 plus 50 is equals to 210. 210 plus 40 is equals to 250. So I have written here add 250. Now we have to add the units place. Now 1 plus 9 is equals to 10, 10. Then 3 plus 7 is equals to 10. So 10 plus 10 is 20. Now here 20 plus this 5 plus 5 is equals to 30. So now all the terms I have written here, and then you have to do the additions here. Now in the last 2,800 plus 250. Now here also I have done the expansion. What is 250? 250 is nothing else but 200 plus 50. So now this will make your work very easy. Now you can add 2,800 plus 200. That will become 3,000. Now 50 plus 30 is equals to 80. So now when you will add 3,000 plus 80, it will become 3,080. So like this, you can see Vedic maths is going to make your work very easy, and you can try some other questions as well. I hope you like this video very much. This is very interesting and easy also. So please like, share, and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching the video, and you should practice some more questions based on this same trick. Thanks for watching my video.